for the month of September 2020. Wow, 8 months have passed already and time flies, doesn't it? So let me begin your reading and let me quickly pull out a card from my Angel Oracle deck. So the card which has come out is Study. So this says that you are engaged in, it is advising that you should be engaged in learning and study right now, and they are asking you, the angels are asking you to take out time to read, listen and grow. And this card is validating that this is an important time for you to learn new ideas or skills. Perhaps you feel guided to enroll in a class, and this card is confirming that that feeling is absolutely bang on correct, 200%. You should go for it. And if you are currently attending schools, the angels are asking you to continue. And sometimes, you know, when we are in the learning phase of our life, we become anxious to test our knowledge. Instead of learning, we want to apply whatever we have learned, whatever knowledge we have gained. However, they are saying that the timing is not right now, and this is asking you not to rush into action. Instead, enjoy the process of learning, and this shows that the growth that accompanies an educational experience is enjoyable if we remind ourselves to stay focused on here and now moment. So come, join me as I take you on a journey of tarot cards, and let us see what the cards have in store for you for the month of September 2020. So the first week we have, so this is a mythical creature with no real substance, but it symbolizes the bondage that we create. You can see these are men and women who are chained to the bondage. So the bondage that we create and maintain for ourselves, so there may be obstacles in the environment around you, and it could be frustrating for you. You might feel that, you know, your opinions are narrowing, and someone else might also be involved in the situation, but you have the ability to free yourself from the situation by using your willpower. Understand that ambition, desire, unethical practices, and your greed, your weakness, addiction, lust, inappropriate passion, extramarital affairs, these are all the vices which are definitely going to give you bad results. So stay away from them. Apart from that, there could be evil eye and hostility around you. Then in the second week of September, we have, so you have come, this shows that you can see this lady is stroking a lion, and as you know that it's not possible for somebody in normal senses to stroke a lion. So this means that she has hypnotized the lion. So this shows that you need to have mental strength. You have come through severe trials and triumphs. You have found your deep inner strength, and it will see you through whatever comes your way. You need to use your mental ability to overcome the toughest situation that you might face, or the shrewd enemies or the competitors which might seem daunting and impossible right now. But with your inner strength, spiritual awareness and purity, you can definitely achieve in your life. Then in the third week of September, we have for you the 6th of going away. So you are moving away from a situation that was causing you concern. Luck is on your side. Luck is going to change for the better. A better secured future is there in front of you, and you are moving to a better situation or a better place. And also this card indicates a journey over water. We have for you the Knight of Cups reversed. So this shows that hope is delayed and might never arrive, and the relationship that you are currently in, it might be superficial, or it would be one-sided only. You might be obsessing about someone who really does not care that much about you, and who will never ever make a commitment, even if he might lead you to believe he is. So it is just superficial. He might lead you to believe that he is very sincere, but the person is actually fickle, is a flirt, and loves, and just uses and leaves the person. So be very careful with your emotions right. Last week we have for you Knight of Pentacles. So this shows, this is a very positive card, and this card symbolizes that you are in a state of fortune, and whatever deeds you are doing right now are going to pay you in the long run. This card also represents a person who is adventurous, practical and materialistic. Now this person is very good at performing any task, but not a self-starter. This person is somewhat around you, and in case of situation, there's a change of job. So you could be getting a better job with better money, whether locally or internationally. So that's all, my dear friends. That's all for you. Here's wishing that the upcoming month fills your life with positivity and removes any kind of negativity that there is. Until the time we meet again, this is me saying